Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah boy we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff. Alright, man. We're gonna go with the video for a minute.
Video.
Let's see how this does with the. This is a little better. I'm gonna let that charge up. Does this? Oh man. Figure out how we can get this in there.
We need a boot. It didn't come with another rubber boot.
Ain't none of this thing.
What did we do on mine?
Yo, eBay has struck again, y'all.
Yep.
eBay has struck again. No biggie, man. We'll
Make it work.
make it work for the meantime. What we're trying to do. Put some.
Let's swap world, Craig.
Something else is weird here. Something else is weird here. Trying to plug this mass airflow sensor in. See that? See that little cutout on the corner? That ain't got it on this over here. Don't have to cut out. You don't have to cut out, man. And it is the mass airflow. You just don't have to cut out, you know? I don't understand some of their logic. It's about to have the cutout though. But we do have the engine running. We're gonna go ahead and get y'all a video of that. We got a video of the engine running. That's what everybody want to hear. If you go back and check the old videos, not too old, but if you go back and check the videos, you see where we have pulled this motor down, installed the cam, springs, push rods, head gaskets, heads. You know, we changed that all up. So we'll go ahead and get a hose here. They're really too big, too small, too big. Make this thing happen, man, because it's, for some reason, you know, these motors like to see the right amount of air going to them. Granted, we're just doing a little test fire here. We still want to be able to here. And eBay strike again though. I like the hose, the tubing, the black tubing. I like it. It's plastic, the rubber boot. Big. Not too big, but too. I mean, we can make it work. We doing it. because of how the wires ran and the cord is ran, this is where the mass airflow has to go. And tubing this here to go like so. And I think that'll work. You know, keep it clean. Clean up the mass airflow. But now I need to go in the laptop.
I need to get y'all one of these, man. Keep screaming about it, talking about it, and they get you one. So you got this one for me.
Oh man. And by the way, I got the shirts. I got the shirts, man. I got the shirts. So we'll do that too. I'm on the fence over here though with this aftermarket fuel filter regulator and running just a Corvette style fuel filter regulator. I can still do that too, and I probably should have done that first versus getting this Corvette style. I feel like I probably should have did that first, but we'll make it work. This particular fuel pump that's in this tank has made 6 and some change on the dyno. So that's the pump we're gonna run with. If that don't work, we definitely got another pump to put in there, but I know we do. And once we get this jumping, we're gonna go head over to G Money. We're gonna get G Money started up. We already got the tools. We got this.
My boy.
Yeah, we gotta get G Money. Get G Money fired up, y'all. We gotta see if he's fired up. I got to meet the owner today. I think I got some footage of that. Shout out to Mr. Harvey, man. Cool cat. We definitely got, I don't have a whole lot left to do, but I had a situation take place last night that has put me back a little bit, that I have to put a little bit more focus somewhere else right now in order for me to be able to get back home. Needless to say, the new daily, Willie / Leroy / Willie. If y'all know a Willie and y'all know a Leroy, we'll leave it that way. We gotta do some work for him. But big shout out to G Money, making sure that I'm back in the mix. Anything I need, he said go grab, so we good. We good. We good. We're gonna come back because this is taking a lot longer than it should. So we're gonna fire this up one more time for y'all. And Mr. Harvey, let me get this cable off of there. Like I said, some of the wires are ran like crap right now. Again, we wanna see what's what, where's what, and how does what. We want to make sure all that done happens in a way that we're not making everything nice, neat, and pretty, and the next thing you know, it don't. It don't work. So then we're pulling all the nice little pretty work off, and going back to it. So let's key off and then key back on. So you should do.
Safety first for swaps.
I think that's all right. And it'll idle down some more. So you know, I just wanted to make sure that we was good there. It was idled up pretty high on 900, and then once it cools off, once it idles down, it'll idle down to about 7 and some change, and then I throw you here the chop. Matter of fact, I didn't even put the chop in there. Let me see.
Chop.
Nah, I can throw some chop in there.
Throw some chop in it.
I ain't even touched it. So it, you know, right now what you're hearing is the bone stock setup. I'm gonna do one more time. We'll start it one more time.
Alright.
Because I want to make sure my gas pedal works.
Got you.
Make sure my gas pedal works. This cylinder over here, I want to say we weren't firing very well earlier. So now it's burning off some of the nastiness, which is good. So we in there, y'all. Mr. Harvey, we got you rocking like you should be for now. You gotta hide some wires, hide some tubing, and get you moving. Get you moving, man. So now we need to. I'm gonna put these lights. We got it. What up? What's happening, good people? What's up, good people? Man, I want to say big thank you to all of y'all, man, for getting me over the hump. Big shout out to the peoples, man. Big shout out to the peoples, man, for, you know, running the playlist, for the peoples liking the videos, commenting, sharing, man. Big shout out to you guys, man. And then, you know, it's different when somebody say, yeah, I'm watching, I'm doing your playlist, I'm watching it, I'm replaying it, this, and then some of y'all, you know, there's proof that you doing it. You know what I mean? It's not a have to that y'all have to do this, man. And y'all done it, man. So I appreciate it I appreciate the love, man. Appreciate y'all going back, watching the playlist, watching the videos. More videos to come, hopefully, prayerfully. And we'll keep it at that, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, big thank you. We got several things in the mix. Believe it or not, I got asked about swapping a food truck. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's all right, though. That's all right. But anyway, you know, that's pretty cool, I think. But anyway, yeah, man. So big thank you to all y'all, man. Well, if I look at my YouTube studio, it says I'm over the hump. I've yet to go to YouTube itself through the app and find out what's going on, because I haven't heard nothing, and I'm over the hump. So I'm gonna try my best to get a video out of over the hump, man. We're gonna do a celebration live. Don't know when yet. We're gonna do a celebration live for helping me, for getting me over the hump. This is a celebration live of those who watch the channel, man. I appreciate y'all doing so, man. We really trying to step things up into 2022 and to come. You know, there's been some projects that's been lagging. We got to get those projects done before we can start any more projects. So that's where I'm at, man. So with the questioning of some of the comments, you know, where's this at? Where's this at? How far along are we on this? How far along we on that? It's keeping me, you know, hey, I got to get this done. I got to do this. And that's the way it should. I guess it should be, man. Because if I'm gonna create content and I'm gonna build cars and mess with these hot rods, and you know, I have to get them complete. I have to complete them, man. And I've done several. You know, I've been blessed enough, fortunate enough to do several builds. If you go back to my channel, look at the earlier stuff, man, you know, there's enough there. Believe me, there's enough there, man. I don't want to sit and name how many I've done, but there's been plenty that I have done. And, you know, different things have happened. You know, life takes you in a different direction sometimes, and it's out of your control to do that. So, you know, he still push forward, no matter what, no matter what, man. So believe me, I am very appreciative of those that watched and then kick it with me and rock with me, man. I really am, man. That says a lot. And I appreciate it, man. I don't want to keep rambling and saying the same thing over and over and over. Every last one of y'all know who you are. So now our next goal is to help someone else, man. We want to help others do the same things, just like we help others in the comment section of other videos or the videos that we drop. We helping others in how to get this done and get that done. We might as well help others to get to another level if they want to get there, man. If they want to apply themselves to do so, man. So let's do that. Let's do that, man. The peoples has really stepped it up, man, and showed out for swaps, man. Showed out for swaps, man. The takeover lives, man. The fellas jumped in there, man, took over the channel and had the peoples in there checking out, watching, and their peoples. You know what I mean? I'm small fry people, man. I'm small fry people. And had their peoples in the live, comment saying, "Whoa, I thought I was on your channel. No, I'm not. I better go hit that sub button." I read those comments, man. Appreciate that. So that's where we at, man. We definitely trying to keep the comments or keep the content coming without any upside down, inside out nonsense. You know what I mean? So again, big thank you, big shout out to everybody that rocking with me, man. Big thank you, big shout out to those who've been patient with me. It's been a rough road, man, and the road still can be rough. I'm not traveling like I would be on a smooth sailing, man. Everybody has an everyday life that's different than what you see on this camera, man. So again, big thank you, big shout out to those, every last one of y'all, man. So man, I'm gonna keep rocking. Y'all keep rocking with me. Appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. I mean, it's cool. It's cool. Definitely thank y'all. Swaps out.